This is a 1968 Mercury Marquis hardtop. Beautiful car, very light blue. And as this placard mentions, this was slotted in between the lower cost Monterey and the higher class Montclair. So it was a middle of the road vehicle, a little bit more luxurious than the entry level Monterey. Very crisp lines here, nice wheel covers, and a black vinyl top. And looking inside, it looks like a vinyl and cloth upholstery. Interestingly, it has a pull-down armrest in the back. No power windows though. The front seat is divided into two seats. This looks like absolutely original upholstery. And here's the instrument panel, and it looks to me like this car has air conditioning, judging from the vents and from what I can see of the air conditioning controls there. And in the back end you notice the dealer logo here from Bayonne, New Jersey, up by Jersey City, right across from New York City. It's amazing, the car evidently was never driven in the winter and the salt brine that they used to make it drivable in snow and ice conditions. This car is in beautiful shape. Has a 390 cubic inch V8 with the 4-barrel, 315 horsepower, and of course automatic transmission. Very nice car indeed.